Ever wondered why some people always seem to have money while others are stuck in the same broke cycle every month? Yeah, we all know someone like this. Or maybe we are that someone. Listen, saving your first 10,000 might not sound like a big deal, but trust me, it's life-changing. It's not just about money, it's about control, freedom, and unlocking a future where you make the decisions. But here's the problem. Most people never even get started. Why? Because no one tells us how important this first step is until today. Stick with me till the end, because by the time this video is over, you'll be on your way to transforming your financial future. And oh, at the end, I'll share a secret on how to escape the 9-to-5 rat race. So don't miss that. Saving 10,000 isn't about just money. It's about changing the way you think. Right now, most people see money as something to be spent, but wealthy people, they see money as something to be used wisely. This small shift is massive because once you hit that first 10,000, you realize you are in control, not your paycheck, not your boss, not your expenses. But if you don't develop this habit, you stay stuck in the cycle, broke every month, living paycheck to paycheck, always stressed. And let me tell you, financial stress doesn't just ruin your bank balance, it ruins your happiness, relationships, and future. Most people think they're broke because they don't earn enough, but newsflash, even people making 1 lakh per month are broke. Why? Because they don't know where their money is going. If I gave you 10,000 right now and asked you next week where it went, you'd probably say, Zomato, Amazon, oh, and a Netflix subscription I don't even use. The key? Track every rupee. Cut out wasteful spending. Cook at home, cancel useless subscriptions, and stop buying things to impress people who don't even care. Ever had an emergency, sudden medical bill, car breakdown, or lost your job? Most people panic in these situations. They scramble for money, take loans, or max out credit cards. Stress, anxiety, helplessness. But with just 10,000 saved, you go from panicking to problem solving. Which one do you want to be? Here's where things get exciting. Once you save 10,000, don't just let it sit there, make it work for you. Most people think investing is for the rich. Nope, it's how people become rich. Start a SIP in index funds. Invest in ETFs, stocks, or a high-interest savings account. Use 401k or PPF for tax benefits. At first, it feels slow, but then boom, compounding takes over. And that's when wealth building really begins. Once you hit 10,000, something clicks. You realize it's not that hard, so why stop there? You start thinking bigger. 20,000, 50,000, and suddenly financial freedom doesn't feel like a dream. It's a plan. Imagine a life where you choose what to do, not your bank balance. A life where you can travel, invest, or even quit a job you hate because money is no longer your master. So now you have 2 choices. 1, ignore this advice and stay stuck. 2, take action and change your financial future. Which one will you choose? If you're ready to escape the 9-to-5 rat race, check out my next video where I break down how to achieve true financial freedom. Click here to watch it now.